our car how to move forward, how to make turns. We're going to draw some shapes with our car. It draws. In the middle, here's a little hole. And we take a pen. Here's where you put the cap off, obviously. And you just drop the pen right through. And it will draw a shape on the piece of paper. We are going to make some squares. We're going to make some other shapes. And all of that. We're going to work with 90-degree angles today. For today. Because we're learning how to make it go. Next week we're going to get a little more involved and we're going to learn how to make different kind of angles and do a different thing. So I'm going to turn it on. It does talk too. So if I want to make a shape, I may want to say go forward 5, turn right, go forward 5 again, turn right, forward 5, and then I press my go, and he's going to go.
That's it. Baby drag.
Well, I'm not going to put him on the floor right now. Then, to clear him out, I have 2 options. If I want to do step by step, I can press the clear button, and it will delete each step one at a time. Or, if I'm done with what I'm drawing, and I want to draw something else completely, I press the menu button. Then I can use these arrows over here, and one of them is clear, which is the bottom choice. So I'm going to hit the bottom down the arrow until I get to clear. Then to select it, I just press menu again. Then it's going to say, do you want to clear this, this, and my last choice is clear all. So I'm going to clear all and press my menu. Ask me one more question. Am I sure I want to clear everything? Yes or no? So I'm going to hit yes. It will beep at you to let you know you're all cleared out. I'm going to show you one shape that I can draw with this. To do it, we have sheets of paper over here with different commands. We start with just simple drawing lines, and I give you the command. First one is forward 5. Second one, we're going to go forward 4. We're going to learn how to turn it and go forward 4 again. Then we're going to move along. Then we get into more of drawing shapes. The commands are here for you to type in. Forward, turn, all of that. Then I'm going to have you guess how many times forward do you think you need to go, which way do you think you need to turn, and try to draw these without help, without the command written out for you. Then we're going to learn something called the repeat. So if I wanted to draw a square, I may not want to type in forward 4, turn, forward 4, turn, and type it in 4 times to make the square, because the square has how many sides? 4. So I might want to use my repeat. And down at the bottom of my car, in the middle, is the repeat. So I can hit that, and I can tell it I want it to repeat 4 times. I want it to go forward, 4, and then turn. And then there's another bracket. I need to close my repeat. And now I can just make a square by pressing go 1 time. So we're going to learn that also. And then the last one is the most challenging. I know. Without me telling you, you're going to see if you can make different shapes. It is a super challenge to make the plus sign and a diamond, because I'm not telling you how to do different angles. I want to see if you can figure it out yourself. So that is super challenging for you. Now with the cars, we're all going to grab one large piece of paper. And this is just to prevent the car from being on the floor, to be actually being on the tile. And we put our smaller piece of paper on top, because we want to keep the wheels of the car actually off of the tile floor, because we can get dirt in the wheels, and then the wheels won't spin. Okay, so we want to be super careful with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do step 2 on here, which I'm going to make it go forward and teach it how to turn. So I'm going to go forward 4. I'm going to make it turn with the arrow and forward 4 again. I'm going to make sure my pen is in my car. It's all the way through. I'm just going to move the papers. Oh, let's sit. put it gently down on the piece of paper. And then I just press go. He beeps when he's done. I can gently pull out the pen and put the cap back on and pick it up. And I did it with green. So you can see he went up, he turned 90 degrees and went forward again. Okay? So we're all going to work in small groups. When we are done today,